The Filipino particle din and rin. The Filipino particles din and rin are used to mean also or to in English. They help add additional information, agree with something previously mentioned, or include someone or something in the same category. Din and rin are interchangeable, but din is used after words ending in a vowel, while rin is used after words ending in a consonant. Here are the uses of din and rin. They are used to indicate also or to. They add information similar to saying also or to in English. The second one is that they show agreement or similarity with something previously stated. And the third one is they also include something in a list. The first one is to indicate also or to. It is similar to also or to in English. Gumamit ka ng laptop, ako din. Use the laptop, I will too. Gumamit ka ng laptop, ako din. Gamit, to gamit means to use, and then a laptop is a laptop. Mahilig siya sa basketball, ako din. So he or she likes basketball, so do I. So mahilig is likes to do, and siya is gender neutral, it's a he or a she. Nag-aaral siya ng Ingles, ako din. When we say aral, that means study. Nag-aaral is studying. So he or she is studying English and I am too. Kakain tayo sa restaurant, sila din. So we will eat at the restaurant and they will too. Kain is the root word, so kakain is will eat. Bibili ako ng libro, ikaw din. So bili is the root word, it means to buy. Bibili will buy. So a libro is a book, so bibili ako ng libro, ikaw din. So I will buy a book and you should too. Another one is for rin. Gusto ko ng kape, ikaw rin. So I want coffee and you do too. So kape is coffee, gusto is like. So gusto ko ng kape, ikaw rin. Siyempre, sasama ako sa party, siya rin. So of course, I will join the party and he or she will too. Sasama means to join and siyempre is, that's of course. Siyempre, sasama ako sa party, siya rin. Pumunta kami sa beach, sila rin. So we went to the beach and they did too. So punta means to go. That's the root word. Pumunta is like the past tense. So pumunta kami sa beach, sila rin. Maglalaro kami ng tennis. Gusto mo rin? So we will play tennis. Laro means to play. Do you want to? Gusto mo rin? Mag-aral tayo ng math. Ikaw rin. Let's study math and you should too. Mag-aral. Aral means to study. Mag-aral tayo ng math. Ikaw rin. The second use of din and rin is that it is used to show agreement or similarity with something previously stated. Ang mga estudyante ay mahilig sa musika at ako din. So when we say estudyante, that's a student, mahilig is likes to do, or likes, and then musika is music, so ako din, me too. Ang mga estudyante ay mahilig sa musika at ako din. Ang mga problema ay mahirap. The problems are difficult. Problema is problem. Mahirap is difficult. Pero magtutulungan din tayo. So, magtutulungan means to like help each other. So, pero magtutulungan din tayo. Siya ay nagtatrabaho ng mabuti. He or she works hard. Trabaho is work and then mabuti is well or good. Ikaw din. Siya ay nagtatrabaho ng mabuti. Ikaw din. May mga planong maglakbay. Kami din. So there are plans to travel. Plano is plan. And then lakbay means to travel. And we have them too. Kami din. We also have plans like that. May mga planong maglakbay. Kami din. Ang pagkain dito ay masarap. At ang mga inumin din. So the food here, dito is here, is delicious. When we say masarap, that's delicious. Inumin drinks. So the drinks too are delicious. Ang pagkain dito ay masarap at ang inumin din. Another examples are mahilig siya sa masarap na pagkain at ako rin. So mahilig means likes, masarap is delicious, and pagkain is food. So he or she likes delicious food and I do too. Mahilig siya sa masarap na pagkain at ako rin. Ang libro ay mahalaga at ang mga artikulo rin. So the book is important. A book is a libro, mahalaga is important, and artikulo, that's articles. So ang libro ay mahalaga at ang artikulo din. Kailangan ng maraming oras, ikaw rin. So a lot of time is needed, kailangan is need, marami is many, oras is hour, ikaw rin. So kailangan ng maraming oras, ikaw rin. Ang proyekto ay challenging, the proyekto is project, ngunit rewarding din. So the project is challenging but rewarding too. Ang mga bisita ay masaya. So bisita or visitors, masaya is happy. Ang mga host din. So the guests are happy and the hosts are too. Another one is that it can be used to include an additional item or person in a list or group. Ang mga aso, pusa at ang ibon din ay naruroon. So the dogs, aso, pusa is a cat, and an ibon is a bird are also there. Ang mga aso, pusa at ang ibon din ay naruroon. Ang mga pagkain tulad ng pizza, pasta, at ang salad din ay available. So, pagkain is food, pizza, pasta, and salad also are available. Hindi lang ang mga estudyante ang kasama, not only the students are included, kasama is like included or a part of, and estudyante, that students, kundi pati ang mga guro din. So including the teachers as well. So a guro is a teacher, mga guro are teachers. Hindi lang ang mga estudyante ang kasama, kundi pati ang mga guro din. Ang mga lugar tulad ng park, mall, at ang museum din ay pwedeng bisitahin. Places like the park, mall, and museum can also be visited. Pwede is possible or possible. Bisita is to like visit. Pwede ring bisitahin. Ang mga artista, manunulat, at ang direktor din ay pupunta sa event. So artista, artists, manunulat are writers, sulat, that's the root word, right? Director is director, and then pupunta will go to the event. Ang mga artista, manunulat, at ang direktor din ay pupunta sa event. Another one is, ang mga kulay ng bahay ay puti, beige, at asul rin. So, kulay is color, a bahay is a house, puti that's white, and asul is blue. Ang mga kulay ng bahay ay puti, beige, at asul rin. May mga prutas tulad ng mansanas, saging, at ubas rin sa basket. Ubas at ubas rin sa basket. So basket, and then fruit is like prutas, and then mga prutas, it makes it plural, fruits. Apple is a mansanas, a saging is a banana, and grapes, that's ubas. May mga prutas tulad ng mansanas, saging, at ubas rin sa basket. Ang mga holiday ay Christmas, New Year, at Easter rin. So holiday, the same. Ang mga holiday ay Christmas, New Year, at Easter din. May mga parke, restaurant, at sinihan rin sa paligid. So parke, park, restaurant is a restaurant, a sinihan is a cinema, and then paligid is around. May mga parke, restaurant, at sinihan rin sa paligid. Ang mga magulang, kapatid, at mga kaibigan rin ay naruroon sa party. Magulang are parents, kapatid is sibling, and mga kaibigan. So, kaibigan is a friend. Mga makes it plural. So, mga kaibigan are friends. Also, naruroon sa party. And that is all about the uses of the Filipino particle din or RIN.